Fix printing error 0x00000709, operation could not be completed, in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the troubleshooter. We recommend starting with the built-in troubleshooter, which you can reach as follows. Fix 2. Edit group policy. This method helped most users to resolve the error. Note that you should be logged in as an administrator before proceeding. Double-click to open Configure RPC connection settings on the right. Make sure it is enabled. Under Options below, pick RPC over named pipes from the drop-down menu. Close down the policy and then open printer browsing. Ensure the option is enabled. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Restart print spooler service. Fix 4. Update printer driver.